Hi all, welcome back to our channel Daily Stories. So you can see here the cats are playing. It's afternoon here and very hot, and they are playful now. They just ate fish and rice and now they are taking rest here. Once they are full, they are very much playful. I have made my room dark and I have just put on the fan. So it's very pleasant inside the room now. And that black cat, she is much good now. Her health is much well. Hey all. So you can see here how my cat is trying to grab attention of me. As she might be getting bored. She's not hungry because I already fed her. Come, come, come. Come. She will play like this. When she is bored, she will play like this. Come, 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 come. Come, come, come. Come, come, come. বসবে কে চেয়ারে বসবে? মারামারি করিস না, দুজনেই বসো। মন বসলো তো ভাইয়ের পছন্দ না? হ্যাঁ, মন বসলো তো ভাইয়ের পছন্দ না? হ্যাঁ বাবা, কে বসবে চেয়ারে? কে বসবে? কে বসবে বাবা চেয়ারে?